Centerfy AI review. Is this CRM tool worth it? Well, let's find out. So Centerfy AI is an advanced AI-powered conversational assistant and workflow automation tool, layered atop Go High Level, and it automates omnichannel customer outreach like the SMS, email, web chat, and live voice calls, plus the lead engagement. It also has some appointment booking and data extractions. It supports custom phone numbers, 112 AI voices, and full multilingual capability, seamless integrations, and real-time dashboards. So what users appreciate about it is it has some exceptional onboarding and support. They also have realistic voice engagement, and they have a boost for conversations. And what it offers is it has some voice call automation, multi-channel outreach, knowledge-based training, brand custom voice options, a comprehensive dashboard, and integration with Go High Level. However, there are some points you need to consider. So they have a relatively new, limited broader reviews. They also have some setup costs, and there's no free trial, and it depends on Go High Level. So in conclusion, Centerfy AI is worth it if you want realistic robots and voice bots and automated workflows, and also need excellent customer support and onboarding, and they have proven boost in engagement and booking metrics.